Hey everyone, Ben and Nob here, and today is our last day of vacation here at Universal. And instead of showing you and telling you tips and tricks on how to do the park right, we figured let's just take you with us and show you how we spend a day at Universal. It is 7:01 and we're about to get to security. I'm not gonna lie, we're moving a bit slow after this week. Normally we're in line waiting for security to open. I don't think it's gonna hold us back too much, but I just wanna say we are tired. It's been a busy week. It's gonna be good though.
Playing
Hagrid's. Velocicoaster. Run Velocicoaster back.
Run it back.
And then go over to Studios, I think. Big day. We still haven't done Hulk though, so we'll see. Cause like Hulk is good, so I don't know, but for sure, Hagrid's, Velocicoaster, back to back. It's a very busy bee! It's a very busy bee!
No.
Hagrid's is always a great start to the morning. We always say ride Hagrid's first because the wait time can get long even during EPA. We waited probably almost 20 minutes for it even during EPA. But next for us.
I need something a little more
Thrilling.
intense.
After the last coaster. Velocicoaster has such a different feel whether you're riding in the front or the back.
Yeah.
The front, you're the first to see everything, but in the back, you get an absolute extreme amount of airtime. I think I like the back more.
Which is funny because I enjoyed the front more, although I do feel like the back has given us smoother rides.
Yeah.
Today it was a bit shaky. Okay, so just a couple key points when we start our day and how we do this when we come to Islands for EPA. 1, we get there early for rope drop. 2, we go straight to Hagrid's. 3, we do Velocicoaster. And 4, typically we go to Forbidden Journey, but today we just weren't really feeling it. We want to go over and get to Studios now. So we're gonna jump on the Hogwarts Express, right on over, and then enjoy some time in Diagon Alley, maybe do Gringotts, and play in Studios. Curious, do you like the ride from the show that they put on? Do you like the show from Islands to Studios better? Or do you like the Hogwarts Express show from Studios to Islands better? I'm partial from Islands to Studios, but again, I think it's because we just see it all the time. It's hard to say. Over to Studios. I've eaten a snack. We're in Diagon. Of course we have to ride Gringotts.
It's almost 10 o'clock. We've gotten a lot done already this morning, but we've got lunch at 11. So I think we can squeeze a few more rides out before we head to lunch. You feeling MIB or you feeling Mummy?
We haven't ridden Mummy yet.
We have not ridden Mummy yet.
And I'm tired of losing an MIB.
I have broken her. So I guess based off that, we're gonna go to Mummy and then we're gonna go probably get some lunch. Maybe ride, rip, ride if I can talk Hob into it.
Where are we going for lunch?
People will have to wait and find out.
Ooh, teaser. It's 10 a.m. Why is it so hot out already? And sticky.
But the parks are dead.
So we think the reason it's so quiet is because not everyone can handle a Friday EPA after a couple nights at HHN. And people are still in school. It'll be busy tomorrow, but we're enjoying these like 10 and 15 minute queues so much. Where's my coffee?
Coffee?
The Mummy is such a good dark roller coaster. We haven't done that in a couple trips, actually. It's been a minute since we've been on the Mummy, and I forgot just how awesome it is. Well, we are making our way back down the road. I'm not gonna say where we're going, but we've got an 11 o'clock lunch, and on the way there, there's a couple shows going on it. So we're gonna stop over and see what we see on the way. Maybe listen to some Blues Brothers and whoever else we find.
Word on the street is that actually some bad weather came in, so if you want to ride the roller coaster, I wouldn't do it right now. But if it clears up, whatever it is, we'll be back at 11:20. Until then, don't you go change it.
So we got over here, and then apparently there's inclement weather, which there's a fairly ominous cloud up there, so I can get with that. So anyway, we're gonna keep walking. Maybe they'll come back. But we've got lunch to come. Have you been able to guess yet where we're having lunch today? Ben made reservations to surprise me yesterday. Very excited about it. We've never been there before. We'll see what we think.
And we still could do Fast and Furious, right?
I know I've lost 3 rounds of MIB, but there's no need to punish me. No, we're not. I don't care how short of a wait, like, we're not riding it. Well, we're doing it. And it's not the Chucky house, Ben. Family.
Family.
Does anyone have a favorite car?
Family.
Family? I didn't see a minivan out there, so. You have a question? You like the orange car? Oh, hey Mia, hey girl, how you doing?
Hey Pat, I see our party goers have arrived.
Yes, they just got here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia.
Hello, come on forward.
Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
Whoop, whoop.
I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Girl, me either.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the
car
after party,
adding
and while
to
tennis
collection.
works on your
Post.
rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
Aww.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Aww.
And the faces you see on these walls are our family.
Okay, where's my
In
face?
this room, we feel like we're all together again.
Now I feel left out.
So.
Well, we have doubled our once-a-year ride limit for Fast and Furious.
Family.
I have a couple bones to pick with that ride. 1, I don't understand your story. It is strange. 2, the queue is better than the ride. So maybe not a bone to pick, but I just want to walk through the queue, listen to the cast, and then leave. 3, no, just
Family.
It's just not, yeah, family. Well, it let us out in a great spot though, because we were right across the street from Lombard's, and that's where we're having lunch. We've never been to Lombard's before. I think I mentioned this earlier. We've looked at the menu, everything looks great, and we've only heard good things, so I'm very curious to see what we think. So here we are. It's nice. We're right next to a giant aquarium. The fish are adorable. Ben loves it because he would love his own aquarium. And it's really quiet and kind of calm in here, which is a nice break from the park. So we ordered shrimp cocktail, jumping right in for an appetizer. And then I have something that's caught my eye, but I'm not sure what Ben's gonna get. So we'll see. It's a surprise. My lobster roll was delicious. Ben's fish and chips is the best fish and chips we've had in the park. And I'm saying that knowing full well that we really enjoy the Leaky Cauldron's fish and chips. This fish and chips was even better. That said, pricing wise, it's a little bit more expensive coming to eat over here compared to other places in the parks, but a good meal nonetheless. Now I'm full, I'm tired. It's time for a midday siesta.
We always suggest taking a midday break. You've been grinding since EPA, your feet are starting to hurt, you're getting a little worn down, it's warm, it's busy. Go take a break. Re-energize, change your clothes, take a shower, take a nap.
2-hour nap coming my way.
And come back to the parks around dinner time, close them down because the parks will transform as the sun starts to go down.
I wish I could apparate right now. I'd apparate into a bed. Somewhat refreshed and energized. Got in a decent 2-hour nap. Now it's time to head back towards City Walk and go to Bigfire. Yes, it seems like we just ate, but Bigfire dinners are delicious. Let's go. So we are heading to Bigfire American Grill. Is that the full name?
American Fair?
American Fair. Bigfire, as endearingly referred to by us. We are big fans of Bigfire. They have a excellent beer cheese fondue, which I think we're gonna pass on tonight. But everything is cooked by an open flame. I wasn't always like the most set on that being something amazing, but the food always comes out great. So we've come to really enjoy going to Bigfire. It's kind of a special date night. That's why we chose to do that today with you guys. The hardest part's gonna be a matter of who gets to order the beer glazed scallops, because that is a must. It is a fantastic entree, and I like it, but Ben never orders it, so he kind of wants to get it today, but we don't want to get the same thing, so we're just gonna have to figure out, like, maybe rock, paper, scissors to see what we're gonna do.
Who won rock, paper, scissors last time?
I did. So we just put it in our order, starting with the Hearthfire bread. It sounds amazing. Like I said, we decided to pass on the beer cheese fondue today. Go with something a little bit lighter. Who doesn't like some good warm carbs? Second, we did rock, paper, scissors a number of times, and it was always a tie. So we both got the scallops because we can't decide. It is just too good of a dish to say no to. The pork two ways sounded fantastic, but I wanted scallops, Ben wanted scallops, so we got scallops. Carbs.
Who doesn't love some bread and butter?
12 seconds later.
We just wrapped up dinner at Bigfire. It was delicious. Pro tip, order that hearth fire bread so you can sop up the beer glaze in those scallops. Ooh, it was good. It was so good. Now, we're coming close to the end of our evening here, but we've still got time and the sun's in a great spot. It wouldn't be a day with Fudge Factor if we didn't go spend some time getting B-roll. So we're gonna go start in Islands, make our way through there, and then once Studios opens up after HHN gets going, we'll head that way. But first, Islands, we haven't ridden Hulk yet, so maybe I'll digest a little bit and we can jump on a ride. Nice walk. A number of bells during this trip that I've learned that I'm allowed to ring. So that's really cool. It's not the only one either. Number 2, it's been a great day. We had a strong start, followed by a little bit of a lull needing a nap. It has been a busy week for us, but overall, this is kind of a chill day for how Fudge Factor schedules things out and how we roam around the park and do our thing. If you got anything out of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more Universal content. Bye!